In this video, we are going to see about chart of accounts. I'm Srikanth from Steady With Me. Let's get into the video. Chart of account is a list that shows the account that used for recording the business transactions in the book of accounts. Tally ERP9 automatically displays a company chart of account based on the ledger and group that are created for the company. In ledger is its account head. For instance, a sales account head is called sales ledger in Tally ERP9. Similarly, a customer is treated as an account head and it called as party ledger. In Tally ERP9, you can create a ledger specific to your business transactions. For a newly created a company, there are two predefined ledgers available in Tally ERP9. Already you know how to create a company. If you don't know, the link in the descriptions and in the card also. View those videos and see what is F11 features and F12 configurations and come to this video. This is all about what is chart of accounts. There are two predefined ledgers, cash and profit and loss accounts. How you can see it is created or not? Just gateway of Tally, accounts info, ledger, multiple ledger in display. All items. Cash, profit and loss account is appears. Escape to come back to gateway of Tally. Once we noted two ledgers is predefined ledgers. In group, now we go for group. A group is an accounting group under which ledger of the same natures are classified. For instance, Tally ERP9 as a default group sales account under which all sales ledgers were classified. There are 28 predefined groups in Tally ERP9 which feature in the chart of accounts of many organizations. Out of these, 15 groups are primary groups and remaining 13 groups are subgroups. Among the 15 primary groups, 9 groups are balance sheet items and 6 groups are profit and loss items. You can see these groups to organize the chart of accounts of your company. You may also create and use the group specific to your business transactions. You can also alter these 28 groups. To view the list of 28 groups, gateway of Tally, from gateway of Tally, go to accounting infos. Accounting infos, go to group. In group, multiple display. Under multiple groups, display all items. 28 groups will be listed. Out of these, 9 groups are balance sheet and 6 group 15 among the 28 15 groups. First 15 groups are primary groups. Among the first 15, 9 groups are balance sheet groups. You want to see what is balance sheet group? Go back to gateway of Tally, click the balance sheet, press Alt plus F1. Change the period. I think we done the sum and I can show you. Already you have to know what will be in balance sheet. See, sorry. No. Accounting group, multiple display, all items. You can know what are the balance sheet groups and what are the profit and loss groups. Direct income, direct expenses, indirect income, indirect expenses, Sales account, purchase accounts are profit and loss groups. We have first 9 items or balance sheet groups, and next 6 items are profit and loss groups. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for next video to know about the ledger creation